today we're gonna make some chocolate crinkles with the help of my mom and my dad's the cameraman. We're gonna start with our wet ingredients first.
1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Two eggs. Wait, hold on.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness. Oh god.
It's horrible. Such a
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix this one first.
We're gonna work with the dry ingredients next.
So this is a cake mix. Chocolate cake mix. Yeah? Wait, hold on, let me do it.
We're gonna cover some flour when we're done, right?
Just keep on stirring until they're all incorporated. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. We're gonna roll this like a cookie dough. Stop.
What do you want?
Okay, boy.
Now we're gonna turn on the oven for 350 degrees.
Let it reheat. Okay, we have some powdered sugar on this bowl for us to roll those wet dough to the powdered sugar. Now we're going to bake this for 12 minutes.
Here's the finished product, and then I'm gonna try it now. It's warm. Good. Thanks, Mom.
Action.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make some chocolate crinkles with the help of my mom and my dad's the cameraman over there. Well,
What are we gonna start with?
I'm not sure. You should. Okay.
Lights, camera, action.
Hey guys, today we're gonna create some chocolate crinkles with the help of my mom and my dad's the cameraman.
Again, stop.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make some chocolate caviar.